Hello.
I feel like I'm way over here. Do you mind if I slide in a little bit here?
We are a little far apart.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh,
That's
gosh.
much better.
Hi, I'm area code 720. How about you? That's so far away. I missed the hello thing. Will you do it again?
Doesn't seem very authentic.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, but it makes me so happy. Hi, everybody. Sorry for our shenanigans. It's Shenanigan Friday.
Yeah, I actually didn't realize that I say hello like that until the videos. And now when I say hello to people, that I just see, it's the same hello. It's kind of funny.
You know what? When you used to call me at work and you would do that hello, all my problems would just melt away. So thank you for that. That's beautiful. Hi, friends. My name is Rick, and this is my lovely and talented wife, Angi, and this is Harmony Vintage Insider. I'm not sure what that was. And what we do is we started up a small business a little bit over a year ago, and we're just kind of tracking our progress, showing what's going on, what's going into our booth, just kind of the overall, showing you the inside. So here we are. Here we go. It is the second week of January. Second and a half week of January.
I think this is our 80th video.
80 videos. You would think I would be better at this.
Yeah. Well, don't expect that.
80 videos, and I think we missed a week. I think we took Thanksgiving off. So 80 videos. That's amazing.
I know.
That's pretty good.
I'm kind of excited about that.
I'm excited. 20 more. We can do 100, and we'll have a big party or something.
Yeah, we should.
Tell me about your week.
Well, it's been a good week. It's been a lot of hustle and bustle.
Hustle and bustle. That's hilarious, because I was going to say frantic and frenzied. So that's what it's like.
So I guess we're having the same
hustle
week.
And bustle and frantic and frenzy.
Yeah, I don't know why it's been so crazy. We've been meeting with friends and doing some different things, and then our booth, the wall got pretty empty, so we worked on stuff to put on the walls this week. So yeah, it's just been a lot of stuff.
It's been a lot, no doubt. It's been a lot. And it's yesterday was super productive, though.
Yes, crazy
super productive.
Yes.
It's like we got busy with all this stuff that wasn't as productive as we would like to be. And then yesterday we just hit like the double fast forward productivity button. So
yes,
it's good.
It is.
I'm glad you are hustled and bustled. You still have a smile on your face, so that's nice.
I'm sad that you're frantic and frenzied. That doesn't sound as good.
We'll fix that. So let's see. The week's been good, though. Again, I repeat, this has been the best year of my life. I really enjoy doing this. Had a good time with our son this week.
Yes.
He did. He came over and we spent some when your son is 30 and he comes over and then eventually he has to leave, but you can tell he still wants to be there. He left wanting more.
Yes.
Oh, that's a parenting win right there, right? That is a parenting win. So that's where we are this week. So life is busy, but it's good.
It is all good.
So there we are. Let's see. You released a new video last week.
I did. I'm so excited about that because I've been wanting to make tutorial videos, and making the videos. That's one part of it. It takes kind of a lot of effort and time, but then editing them, I don't know. It messes up every time. I mean, I haven't done a lot of them, but every time something is wrong. And this one was halfway successful. If you watch it on YouTube, it's really great. If you watch it on Facebook, it's really great till halfway through, and then the sound drops off. And I have no idea why that happened.
Oh, I felt so bad for you. So this has been a little bit of a struggle for my wife, and technically I'm of no advantage whatsoever.
Me either.
I see her going down the road. She picks up her courage. She does this thing, decides to do it, starts off on the road, starts picking up momentum. Life is good. Life is grand. She's cruising. And then, bam, just like
all
that.
the wheels fall.
All the wheels fell off. And
Yes,
I just watched
yes.
my wife's spirit just drain. I felt so bad for you. But you were so courageous.
Yeah, this time it wasn't as bad.
You are so diligent too. Courageous and diligent to fall down and get back up. So
well, thank
good
you.
job.
And you held my hand through it this time too, so that was nice.
Oh, well, you're sweet.
Yeah. We kind of rearranged the filming so there would be less editing, and then so we kind of did it together, and that was nice.
Oh, and Kathy.
Yes, Kathy made my week.
How sweet is Kathy?
Yeah.
Kathy, if you're watching this one, man, I thank you. You have no idea what your simple comments did to encourage my wife. You're going to make me cry, Kathy. I don't know who you are, but you're my friend, and I love you, and thank you for encouraging my wife. That was so sweet on multiple platforms.
Yeah. She commented on YouTube and Facebook, and that's kind of a neat thing about this is that we're connecting with people that we've never met in person, and I kind of like that. Like, it's kind of cool.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Kathy with a C.
You, Kathy.
M, you are my friend. We are friends to the end, you and I.
And that is a goal moving forward, is to do more of those videos.
Yes, we were going to talk about that. So you're going to start doing videos once a week. We're going to keep this one on Friday. We've adjusted from Thursday to Friday. That seems to be working out better. And then over the weekend, you're going to work on, edit all the things, a tutorial on painting or creating or crafting or using IOD, DIY, all the products you like to use. And then you're going to release it on Mondays.
That is the plan.
That is the plan. I have drawn it up and I've put it on the calendar. The only thing we got to do is make it happen.
Yes, and get sound all the way through.
Yes. So I had a conversation with a sweet lady from our church, and she said that she would just put your voice on and just let it play in the background. It was soothing and comforting. You could read the phone. She didn't say this, but this was implied. You could read the phone book and she would listen to it.
That's nice.
Isn't that sweet?
It is.
She was sweet. So, Carrie.
Thank you, Carrie.
Yeah, so sweet. So, okay, let's talk about what we got, what we're doing, where we're going, all the things.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. It's supposed to get really cold.
I heard.
It's super cold, a little bit of snow.
Yeah, if you're in Colorado or in our area anyway, cold.
Like bone chilling. So, anyway, I thought I'd get that out of the way. We got to go to the grocery store.
Yes. Hopefully we don't have to go too many places over the weekend. But yeah, so as I said before, our booth, we sold a lot of things off the walls. And so we kind of went through our stash to see what we could paint and get ready. And we have 2 mirrors and a pair of sconces that we're going to take in tonight, actually.
Very nice. Tonight, and we have some stuff over there that didn't make the cut. But walls blew up. Like the walls blew up. So we were like, oh, you know what attracts shoppers? Empty walls.
And we've sold a lot of mirrors over this last year. We have sold a lot of mirrors. So it's nice to work on some mirrors again, and we'll get those in there. Yeah,
we've done well with mirrors, and we've done well with sconces, to be honest with you.
Sconces are a little harder to come by.
Yes.
Don't find a lot of those. I was really happy to get these and painted them. You can see, I'm just going to kind of leave them down there, I think.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, there's a pair of them, and I painted them, distressed them, and there's also a little, what do you call that? A groove, like for a plate or a picture frame that you could, when you hang them on the wall.
Do you want me to show one, or do you want to?
Yeah, you can show one. I have them sitting on some janky blocks. So
please forgive our janky blocks. But here is the top. Hopefully you can see that groove in there. And that is to put your plates and to keep them balanced so they don't roll out. But I really like sconces.
I do too. There's something very I don't know, upscale about them.
No.
They just class anything up.
Interesting. I think they are. I would probably put a large candle on it, and I would have said romantic.
Ah, yes, that too.
So that's kind of what they look like in my mind, is a candle or maybe an oil lamp or something like that.
Yeah, and these have a lot of really pretty detail on them.
Super detailed.
Yeah, they're
detailed.
Gorgeous. So
when we were painting those, I'm like, I like detail till I have to paint it.
Right. took a long time to paint that, but
7 paintbrushes later. So those are great. Those are going to Sugar Mill, and they are $19.95 a piece. So you can buy them individually, and they will be there hanging on the wall, pretty as can be. You did a really good job on that.
Thank you.
What's next?
Oh, yes. And then also, let me see if I can move this. Everything holding these up is a little janky. So.
Janky's your word of the day.
It is. So here is this cute little mirror. It's not very big. I didn't measure it, but this isn't super big. But isn't it cute?
It's wonderful. I don't know, 12 by 17, kind of a guess.
Maybe, yep. And it has some detail up here on the top. We painted it apothecary, did a little distressing. And this is, you could see the back. This is a really old mirror. So it's
nice.
Yeah. So the mirror itself, the glass is a little aged. And I don't know. If you like that kind of stuff, you will love this mirror. I like that kind of stuff.
And we've done good with that color of mirror too.
Yes. I thought this color was perfect for this mirror. When I was trying to decide on a color, I put it on there. I was like, this should have been apothecary all along.
There we go.
It's just beautiful.
It is. I think it was on a vanity.
I think it had a stand originally. We got it at an auction.
Oh.
And it had a stand, but the stand was damaged. We didn't know that when we bought it. But it was gonna be a little complicated to repair it. So we decided to just add a hanger to the back, and you can just hang it on the wall.
It looks really good. It looks really good. Then there's this one. I don't know how best to do this. I'm going to try to stand up here. So please forgive me while I'm clumsy here for a second.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, this mirror, we got this at an auction also.
This
Should I move these out of the way?
Big one.
Let me move this out of the way.
This is a big one here.
It is very big. I don't even know if you'll be able to see the top
I don't think you're going to be able to get all of it.
You might have to set it down back here a little bit.
Good idea.
To show
top. Still not.
It is big.
Oh, it is so big.
I'm going to move this back a little bit so you can maybe
go lower.
Yeah, because you want to see that. The top is what excited me about this mirror.
It's got that nice finial on it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really nice.
Yeah, but it also has this nice detail around the edges, down the side. I mean, it's pretty. I painted it white and then did a little distressing, a little dark wax to kind of age it. It is an older mirror, probably from the 70s.
I would think 70s, yeah.
And it was a little, the original paint was a little bit weird, but it's high quality, and with this new paint job, I just think it's beautiful. It's a beveled mirror, and that's going to look really pretty hanging in an entryway, or I could see it in a dining room or a den. Really pretty.
That was about as clumsy and awkward as I can make anything, right?
And that mirror's been making me nervous all the time because it has all the little pieces on it. Like it's really detailed. So, you good? Thanks for doing that. I got the easy mirror.
So, what else? Are we good?
I think that's what we were going to talk about.
Okay. Kudos to our friends at Dispose Bros.
Yes.
They're out. Today is their first full week of business, I believe.
Congratulations.
God bless you guys. If you do need something hauled away, please call our friends at Dispose Bros.
Yes.
Please, if you're into the cold, shop Sugar Mill, shop Vintage Marketplace.
Yeah. They keep it nice and warm. So
Oh, so
come in, be
warm in
warm
there.
and
Yeah,
shop.
it was nice. What else? We met some nice people the other day
At Sugar Mill.
at Sugar Mill.
Yes.
Yeah, Danny and Ginger.
Hi, Danny and Ginger.
Thanks for shopping Sugar Mill. That was
Mhm.
nice. What else? Anything?
I think that's everything.
You did such a good job this week.
Well, thank you. And
What'd you
hopefully,
say? Huddled and befuddled? What was
I
it?
don't even remember that. That was not it.
That was not it. I don't know what it is, but I know what it's not.
I know now. I'm thinking of all the weird rhyming words, but yeah. And then just be on the lookout Monday. Hopefully Monday there's another video, a tutorial video. I've been working on a little project for that. So
that will be awesome. We got a lot of feedback, a lot of response, a lot of views for a first time video. So that was nice.
Yeah.
So awesome.
I don't think I can get out of here.
Okay, I'm going to say goodbye and then I'm going to get up and I'm going to go try to do. How do I do it?
You push the square.
Push the square. Okay. Yes. See ya. Love you. Bye. We're trading roles today. Here we go. Bye.